Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing and inspiring me. So today we'll solve a very interesting question, Maths Olympiad shortlisted in 2009. So the question is given ABC a real positive number such that 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C equals to A plus B plus C. Prove 1 over 2A plus B plus C whole square plus 1 over 2B plus C plus A whole square plus 1 over 2C plus A plus B whole square is less than equals to 3 over 16. So what is given, I am starting from that because that may be used in the question. First is simplifying this, I'll get ABC. Here your AC plus BC plus AB equals to A plus B plus C, or your AC plus BC plus AB equals to A plus B plus C whole into ABC. Okay, now I'm coming to right hand side. The denominator is 2is plus b plus c. All the similar terms are there. So this I may write a plus b plus a plus c, and taking these two terms separately, I can apply arithmetic mean is greater than their geometric mean. So a plus b plus a plus c is greater than equals to 2 times of square root of a plus b into a plus c, or I'm getting twice a plus b plus c is greater than equals to 2 square root of a plus b into a plus c. Since it is square is given, I'm squaring it. So squaring, I'll get twice a plus b plus c whole square is greater than equals to 4 times of a plus b c, and its reciprocal is given. So when I'll take the reciprocal, the inequalities will be changed. So it will be 1 over 2a plus b plus c whole square is less than equals to 1 over 4 times a plus b multiplies a plus c. So all the terms are symmetric, this one, this one. So they can be written in this way also. So similarly, 1 over 2b plus c plus a whole square is less than equals to 1 over b plus c b plus a. 1 over c twice c plus a plus b whole square is less than equals to 1 over 4 multiply c plus a c plus b. So adding these three relations or inequalities, get 1 over twice a plus b plus c whole square, 1 over twice b plus c plus a whole square, plus 1 over twice c plus a plus b whole square to 1 by 4. Here it will be 1 over a plus b a plus c and b plus c b plus a, and 1 over c plus a c plus b. So left hand side is the uh, question to be proved, this one. So ultimately we have to prove that this right hand side is less than equals to 3 over 16. So now to prove 1 over 4, if we'll simplify this, I'll get 4 into a plus b, a plus c, and b plus c, and here it will be, in the numerator it will be b plus c plus c plus a plus b, which is equals to twice a plus b plus c whole over 4 a plus b, a plus c, and b plus c. Now this should be less than equals to 3 over 16. Okay. So now I am following a method. It may be different for different people. I don't demand that this is the only method. I don't claim. So you can try for other way. What I am doing, I am a plus b plus c. This numerator, this left hand side, I am taking 2. A plus b plus a plus c plus b plus c. This I am making some modification or taking some other factors. What I'll multiply AB plus AC plus BC in the numerator here, eh, and it will be 2A plus B, A plus C plus C. Next, what I'll multiply another AB plus AC plus BC in the numerator, and in the denominator I am multiplying ABC multiplies AB plus A plus B plus C. So I have multiplied AB plus AC plus BC whole square in the numerator. So to balance this, I am multiplying its square in the denominator, and here this one will be in the numerator again. So ABC into A plus B plus C. So I have 3 ratio, and with help of this I am trying to prove that this is less than equals to 3 by 16. First, coming to the first one. Now A plus B plus C multiplies AB plus AC plus BC. I'll prove that this is greater than equals to 9 ABC. How? I'm taking ABC, and I am taking the concept AM is greater than their equals to HM. So A plus B plus C over 3 equals to greater than equals to 3 over 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C. Now this will be A plus B. This gives us A plus C multiplies 1 by A, 1 by, I'll simplify this. This will be ABC, AB plus AC plus BC is greater than equals to 9, or A plus B plus C whole into AB plus AC plus BC is greater than equals to 9 ABC. Next, we'll prove that A plus B, A plus C A plus B plus C is greater than or equals to 8 times of ABC. Let us see. A plus B, if we multiply these two terms, it will be AB plus AC plus BC plus C square. Then it is A square B plus A square C plus ABC plus AC square, then AB square plus ABC plus B square C plus BC square. Here I am getting ABC plus ABC twice ABC. Rest 6 terms. For 6 terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again I am applying arithmetic mean equals to greater than equals to geometric mean. So A square B plus A square C plus AC square plus AB square plus B square C plus BC square by 6, or is greater than equal to 6 times of sixth root of A6 B6 C6, 6 times of ABC. So the denominator A plus B, A plus C, B plus C is greater than equals to 6 times 6 ABC plus 2 ABC, that will be 8 times of ABC. So what about this, the whole term? It will be here. First was A plus B plus C to AB plus AC plus BC times of A plus B plus C and B plus C. Since this is in denominator, it will be less than equals to 8 ABC. So I am taking the equal to 1. 1 is greater than 9 ABC, it will be less than 8 ABC. Both have the equal sign. So let it be this equals to 9 ABC by 2 into 8 ABC. That will be 9 by 16 ABC. 9 by 16. Now coming to second one. Second one, this ratio will be 1 because they are equal. We have proved first is given that this one, this ratio is 1. So this is 9 by 16, second ratio is 1. Coming to third one, ABC over A plus B plus C. I am taking the denominator here, denominator. AB plus AC plus BC whole square. AB plus AC plus BC whole square plus 2 A square B square plus A square C square plus B square C square plus it will be twice ABC, if we take common, it will be A plus B plus C expansion. Now coming to this one, I am taking again another inequality, taking arithmetic geometric mean. What is it? A square plus B square, A square into B square, A square multiplies B square plus A square C square is greater than equals to 2 times of square root of your A4 B square C square. So which is nothing but your 2 A square BC. Similarly, A square C square plus B square C square is to 2 C square BA. Next is a square b square plus b square c square is greater than equals to your 2i is b square ca. So adding these three, we get 2i is a square b square plus a square c square plus c square a square is greater than equals to 2i is abc taking common, within it will be a plus b plus c. So 2 to come out cancel. So AB plus AC plus BC whole square is greater than equals to, this is your greater than twice ABC into A plus B plus C, and this is 2 ABC A plus B plus C. It will be 3 times of ABC within bracket A plus B plus C. So the last ratio equals to, numerator is ABC A plus B plus C and denominator is 3 times of ABC A plus B plus C. So now coming to the whole picture, whole together. First one is, I am writing again. So A, B, C, A plus B plus C into AB plus AC plus BC for 2 times of A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. Next is your AB plus AC plus BC, ABC into A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, or your, it is greater than 3 times of ABC, A plus B plus C. So first one is your, taking it is your less than, because it is in denominator, so it will be less than this one. A plus B plus C whole square will be less than this one. So whole thing will be less than 9 over 8 multiplies 1 multiplies 1 by 3. 9 over 16, sorry. So it is less than equals to 3 over 16. Since this was greater than this one, and 1 over AB plus AC plus BC where is less than equals to 1 by 3 times of ABC. So this proves the question. Thank you for watching.